Now that we're back on the road, we're headed to our final destination for today's ride, Nederland. Not Netherland, but Nederland with a D. Nederland is quite a bit bigger than what we just experienced in Rollinsville. About 1,500 or so people. It's a proper town with some tourist attractions. About 5 minutes out. You can see here another nice lake, a backdrop of the Continental Divide. Looks like another stop sign here. We'll cut right through this one though. We've seen enough. Well, except for that nice lake, we'll take a 2-second break right there. How about that? Some nice turns. Guy in front of me is definitely having a good time riding. Oh yeah, really good turn. Interestingly, we've done a lot of up and down. So Nederland is at 8,200 feet, which is pretty close to where we started in Blackhawk. Running south to north, it kind of makes sense, right? You'd have to go west to get more of the elevation gain. That's right, folks, we got another one here. We'll see you in another 2 minutes after this one clears. Carousel of Happiness. Oh, we got some nice cars. R8. A McLaren. Another R8. Corvette. Another Corvette. Not sure what that is. Oh, here's a green Lambo for you. Ooh. Another McLaren. Oh, that's a McLaren, not a Lambo. My bad. Just typically see a lime green Lambo. Lots of young kids there too riding those. Might be rentals or just might be living that ballin' lifestyle. But, you know, I think the Ducati could give them a run. Not that I'm that kind of rider, you guys know that. Where's that person? That person's not supposed to be there. Oh, there's another Corvette. We had even more cars here. Oh yeah, super nice BMW. Another performance car, got the GoPro. They're all my age, late 20s. Alright, back to the views. Not a bad way to enter Nederland. Oh, that's pretty. There we go. 8,236 feet. Founded in 1871. Another historic mining town. Also did silver and tungsten. A lot of Boulderites cut through Nederland. You get to the skiing. Eldora skiing. There's some more buddies. Sort of descent into Nederland as well. Another nice car. Two of them, Porsche. Panorama though. Eldora ski area sign for you. You can go left there. Here we are, Nederland. You can see all the homes up high there. Good views, I bet. Restaurants are everywhere, a lot of amenities. Definitely a popular destination. We are going to go right because there is a Carousel of Happiness, which opened June 12th. A lot of bikers over here too. That thing's cool. All these cars, look at this Maserati. So this is where money is. Your Netherlands police probably hanging out. Oh no, just police parking. How cool. Yeah, you get the mountain feel here, right, with some of the wood. So we'll kind of walk around. There's a fellow Ducati. This is Nederland, also known as Ned to the locals. There's several events that are hosted here. One is some sort of frozen dead guy race. They like do coffin races. It's crazy. I saw it online. I'd love to attend that. Then there's Ned Fest, which I'll show up. Very walkable strip here. Lots of travels and tourists. A lot of travelers and tourists are here as I've walked around and explored myself. There it is, folks. This is Ned. The roundabout will take us this way to carry on with the peak-to-peak highway. So appreciate the viewership and look forward to showing you the rest of the route here. About 30 miles to go. Signing out and see y'all soon. Well, that's pretty cool. They say life is better up here. That's the way to remember it.